tio. Wa fabra bofimu pen.
But I want to add just this one.
Afaka
Me call blind in 2013.
When you fry.
Many fry. How it started, ni say, unse nkofu swa eye unsune.
Ani suo no.
Me na eye moja na.
Hey.
Many. And I was hospitalized. I think there was some conditions of the eyes. I think so. Me a full sickle cell. That's what a lot of people don't
know. Wow.
And you know, sickle cell. No, you have nerve endings. No, it causes eye problems.
Okay.
I think so. Diabetes also causes eye problems, and also tumor. No, me tumor. There are different kinds of tumors. Tumor now, a pressure on my optic nerves.
Okay.
I went blind for 4 months.
Hey.
Doctors catch me say me who debut. And me kai one day the catch me say unja me non ko worry before.
Oh.
And I remember say
okike
mu gumi, so she was upset and she started telling me off, say nah, I don't like somebody who don't have faith and stuff like that. There's a reason why you're going through this, etc. Anyway, me decided say me bompa. That was the first time I may say me bompa. But me should start and me should then name bompa. Until me started saying yami. Then I started using the F word.
Yeah.
F-U. But if you're indeed God and you really, want to use me, then take away my manhood. Give me back my eyesight. That was the prayer. She was there. Now, woman of me, how can I pray such a prayer? No, but I understand that prayer works.
Now, how to pray.
Okay.
Now, God F that, God S that, God F that, or swear. And I said, you know what? Why don't we make it simple? The first prayer was our Father.
Yeah.
So let's recite our Father. Sunday school.
Auntie, our Father. Into the only pie bokra.
Not the young born, because when it is the powerful honor, Jesus will besides say, our Father. Yes, that's here, recite you. So I want to say, be a friend. It was started so when I met my sisters, I say, or boss SOMPA and was as well. No, it's not, Mamma, who said me, SOMPA, Mate, no, it's not stairs. Let me see the echo.
And 30 minutes later, I heard the voice of God. 30 minutes later, my voice was so clear. That was the first time I was hearing from the Holy Spirit. I say, I want you to know that I am the same God of yesterday, today, and forever. I'm going to give you back your eyesight, and I'm going to give you a prophetic eye.
Wow.
But there is one thing you got to do. You got to proclaim my name to the ends of the world. I'm saying,
oh.
And this is the story now. The doctors who said I can't see. Although when I take my glasses off, I just see a mass.
Yeah.
But at least when I put my glasses on, I can see the features. At least I have eyesight. Doctors say I have 27 medical conditions. I got paralyzed for a whole year with 2 rare conditions on my spinal cord, a rare bacteria growing in my blood, 27 medical conditions. I had a heart attack. I had a stroke. So if you see, I wear this band, and people don't understand what the band is, but it says false risk. It will be shame pa. Me man, me resident pastor.
Okay.
And away a youth pastor.
All right.
Pastor Francis.
Okay.
And then Reverend Ike.
Okay.
And you steady. One more just to, medical shame.
Yeah.
But
Papa, day na wutimi nya kokodro. Worry papa we knowing the na ye na brabo fin ano nemu. Ene said na onji nyame ni. Ene send ye yare won ho bebre. A doctor fosu wo bewu. Day na wutimi nya kokodro. Etimi worry sa papa we.
Mami can one thing before me whole system shutting up say I had to learn how to walk. I had to learn some new things. My brain don't coordinate.
Yeah.
No, completely.
Yeah.
In hospital.
I
had to start everything again.
So, mommy, by Mike and mommy, then na wutimi nya akokodro pa Bema way ya the story I yet omo follow me like people are almost say God is good. Some say this is like then na wutimi nya akokodro bema way or ti ono a chese abrabo a wabo aboni a waye said we see stubborn yare a wo ne ho or yes sickle cell ni brain problem so he has to be on medication what me den and na wutimi nya akokodro ware bema we
make I say nyame because nyame prepare me
okay
because the way me see no I say me ankasa metia mentia ase
yeah
nti nyame prepare because answer no bi beba wa brabo mu no nyame be use obema obi ani boas beba na brabo be yi ne free nyama bi na very strange
yeah
very strange but me I believe say me per se no me faith is just crazy
okay
obi oni sa kokuru no udi mechi a mempe obi obeba mu abamu
yeah
nze wodi mechi me tu na ne watu
yeah uji nyame di
and me kase me nyame di me kase ade we meya
obeye
you can't stop me you can't stop me and me kase easy na ding
yeah
because na mentiasi because the things that he was doing na abnormal to me
yeah
ebufuo ni ade
yeah
you to me just tell me drive is na ade na be sine mu we bie car me drive you bie car so o see from while the car was driving na first no na me mentiasi na is done me soon
yeah
na done me soon I'm saying, God, how do I deal with this person?
Yeah.
Because now, yeah, extra large.
130 kilos.
Yeah, no so.
Into no, yeah, no, why my packet car no see from. Now it's like.
The behavior no.
It's like he was doing things that.
I was crazy.
Yeah.
Crazy.
I don't know whether I would say it marvels me. It doesn't. It's like.
Me or you weird. Me first or you weird.
Yeah. Me it's not car no or driving no more. Metina mo I say spirit be abehye ne mu
yeah
nti so be wo besides the person obi ka say o twemu na obi sticking the finger say you know no abe cross o na otina mo so tent wa twe seat ni say na o hye mu to bi enim so so wa nti so cross so no fika nim say bunsa nkofo
jane yeah
bunsa mo po achaw metika nim say God excuse me say nyipa be na would na mami this person is not
as not doing yet. Yeah.
What's that?
Yeah.
And everything that I was doing, although I was praying everything and God was saying it wasn't working.
Yeah. As a
it's difficult for me. I can't do it. Unless you show me how to go about it.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I'm done.
Yeah. Me nya be my bread.
I want to say, why are you cursing me? Why are you cursing me? And when my mom is me so me nearly that me sorry for me nailed and I'm saying how otherwise I'm done. If you really want me to change this man, then you better have to show up. Otherwise, I'm done. And when I'm sorry, me say whether you take it as a curse or not, no, me, I'm speaking to my God. Let me call them. Me call them. Me want to packing your mother. Me now say the same thing. Then the spirit to God told me that use reverse psychology. See, use reverse psychology. Wow. Okay. And to say, you know what? Near what them I want to be a window. I want to kill myself. It's like his life is being tormented.
Dead, yeah.
To commit suicide.
Yeah.
I tried suicide 7 times. But
committed because despite all the money and everything that he's enjoying, and he's not deep down.
I said, well, on your in your tormentino.
You're not tormentino. Maybe you're not in the camera, a bony fear on a dog, it's the corridor also. And I had a vision. I'm going to say, I saw 3 people coming in. The door was wide open. I said, Mukita, a year mobile hamil. But when they are entering, something pulled them.
I am a free gang them, so they wanted to.
Yeah, they wanted to eliminate you. Who free gang them, no? Who jaya juma no? Yeah.
Me catching us say, hey, mendayo. Me don't want to be shame so be person bebe hame me. And when you opened the door, the people were there and they couldn't do anything.
Moment me anyashi.
Into say, I me monitor na I'm your baby for 9. and I'll buy it. No, now, or full window. No, I want to kill myself. Let me know. First, Nanka made you know, I say, please don't do it.
Yeah, they said the
Yamin Mamma,
what DB. To a castle Bekun one hour channel.
Michelle is oh, really? I say, yeah, I want to kill one with beer window. No, or the night I saw the sewer, and I'm so, oh, say, where are we? And wow, why don't you go and make beer window? You can see it. I'm your phone. If I call you, die better. I say, hey, who's so come here now? I want almost happen. Done me who said, down beside me smiling. It's working.
Yes.
But me who said me straight.
Yeah.
Now, that time, if you and our back, cook a oven is soon with beer. Oven can see any middle one a top in a grill. No, my beer, I want to kill myself, not detach him. Say, so, oh, I may be a case in my come. Hi, I don't so come and I'm saying, so me one. That's always all. They may want them. And I realized it was working.
Yeah,
it was working. And we go on the road the same, you know, old free car and while I was driving on. I want to put the me driver sana. I want to get down. Get down. I want to mean for you know. I'm a take mean for you know. I want to get down. I want to I could me yes me break them or the on the dashboard no so. Let me break. I want me be a car and see. Me be a jam main road. Me yeah what he used to do.
Do.
Me get jam main road. Me be a miss him. You think you're the only person who is smart? Let's bring it on. And when I'm the far bush, you say. We jack car is so. You block a traffic, I'm the far bush. Me nanti coffee. Me want not buy no phone so. Bruv, I saw this mad lion going on the road, man. He nearly killed me. Now my not miss room. Something is working.
Yes.
Something is working. 2 days later, me things only be couldn't talk was slow. Okay, the phone. I'm coming to you. I'm coming to Jackie right now. I put me code 2 don't know 2 key. Abaya. Obe no I said the key no have and I'm smart locking. I said me kwako put me kwake Jackie na say. Baby tina. E kwa wuku bi dre na wako madwe ni wa jimi fo. Baby tina. O she me nim no o waso ete me na my tete woni na mama. See because of her into
watching. Yes.
Let me I was 6162.
Wow.
O she me nim safi na utun say wa djojo. No John see. Ade ye adwuma. No one time oba obenya me say bra me kan asem nchiro. Who fi say we TikTok, who sika, as a roof in you can control the world. You are nothing before God. You lose everything. Okay, say we seek a baby na no, we will lose it. But if you don't take care, no one just say me to na my boss, but make jumping, I will slap everything that is going out of your head out. Me too sad, you know, my spirit. Me jumping, I slap you. I don't know, you shame me, or you mean, Mr. One can say one or done no braille. No cats, I'm going to what's not so far. I dare not. I couldn't him.
Yeah.
I couldn't him. I dare not echo my past since the wouldn't say.
And near ma, a chassis.
This thing is working.
Yeah.
It's working. But although it was working, it still was an addict. It was an addict. It was an addict.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe we'll now one. At once, any phone no mean to be the phone or the phone to say na make a coso.
Yeah.
I mean, take it then a coso. To be na man, idea. I make us, you know, me I may ham because at the end of us all your way anyway. That I may ham. To me, Johnny phone so called me who cry me who you booming you must be brave. To return a man sending a naked pictures. Me who metan waka Jesus. So then I also that you be so the pictures in now. I feel what's another one was about Jesus. Are we okay?
And you were going through the battles with him.
I was going
through the battles, yeah.
Because do you know why? Because me who be wonimu.
Yeah. Who be wonimu. I want to cry him say wonimu.
Into say who be wonimu. I say who tries hard be na wonimu ever out.
Na wonya na ho abotre won mere ye no. Baby, I will toss in no because I was trying to marry India. Kaujano, Ujano wants one Kobu.
Yeah.
Sana nyimpa dear muyo mo share the bad side of the person, but mo share the good side. Even good kids we would more. You can make it bigger.
because she need mummy no more. Imagine say enka wo give up on him and then look at omo addict for amoboa omo. Mo brofo and that is ministry.
Yes.
Because mo touching nipa lives ankasa.
Thank you.
Enti unse wo hu bibi papa bi wo ne mu ni nti no. Even though ne mra ye na no odin. Wo gire nyame ahoden so. Ene nyame mo so.
Esu.
Yeah.
Mpaibo.
Yeah.
Make us mankum bia.
Oh be come yes.
Serious oh. Emma to extend say olusu bibi me catch say ka only one laptop pen na ka olusu bibi.
Olusu bibi na dan ni sika bibi a.
Ka laptop. I'm catch a laptop so be use and God will rebuild you.
Beside the wash ase.
I said but the laptop is my everything. Let me say that one is not your everything. It's God that is your everything. He can replace that anytime you want it. And how a laptop in I know is so amazing. Laptop ni say no come repair us on you. Na repair ani ja ho no tu kwan na odi o hye obi nsa nipa ko odi hye ne nsa na oba na no so wia
Edeko.
That was the last thing. After you move it free baby a ye won ye ko tu ko baby foforo ye ko na o ka paralyze ye
Ko bubuye.
that was 2017. Odu epa nangaza guys they know that we are here getting to December 2018 obubu ye ade ye ntisa abodam
Yeah, me boredom.
Adenia, na that day no, oko the next town, na me catch chance man nko. Atiasa. Into one train na de che obeko.
No, oh yes, stubborn.
Oh yes, stubborn.
O can be via chana want it. Yeah.
Stubborn.
Yeah. Onu so no, the life we live in a life independently. As o ye di ope.
Who are you to come and
yeah, obe order ne say onye omo.
Oh yes, stubborn.
Yeah. What bre? Why are you?
Stubborn. Me ka say man nko ko e no, enyimbre so me content ma ba me say don't go. Oba be dru fie me friend o say me ba. Obe fie 9:30 we joy bibia. I feel ko joy maintain nka. I feel ade na ina abodam. Was scatter attend the whole household.
Hey.
Me chen on ma sana ma ka chen say onom seminar redox. O se ba fo unlock no.
Hey.
Say no ho beton. Na mo ha no mo tormenting no. We have to break the door. I have to call another pastor that we ordained. Mr. Gonzalez, bra. No, but break the door. And I say more. And